welcome to Blush Blush. There's a good news, guys, that IKEA opens its first store in India, and that too in Hyderabad. So I'm the lucky one who stays in Hyderabad. So today I tried to reach IKEA. Let me just tell you guys, after 12 long years of planning and 6 years after it made it an announcement that IKEA is finally opening its first store in India today. Let me also tell you, the showroom will actually display 7,500 products, and nearly 1,000 of which would sell for less than rupees 200. And it was really sunny when I actually went to IKEA today. So the people got to know about the news and they all went so crazy. Let me just show you guys how exactly was the crowd in IKEA. Guys, let me just tell you, the moment we reached IKEA, the parking was full. Now, let me just tell you one more thing. Not half of the Hyderabad went to see IKEA. Rather, I would say the entire Hyderabad people were there in IKEA. My goodness, I have never seen such a rush. Maybe, I will be able to cover a little more in my next video. So I would request you to stay tuned to Blush Blush. Very soon I will be uploading another video wherein I will be covering the entire store so that you can have a look how exactly IKEA looks. Because let me just tell you guys, today it was impossible for me. It was so suffocating because of so much of crowd. Half of the people stepped out because it was not a good decision to go today because of the rush. Oh my god, I've never seen such thing in my life. Look at it, people actually going crazy to go inside. So अभी के लिए इतना ही. आपको एक छोटा सा glimpse तो मिल ही गया है IKEA का. Very soon I will be coming up with the new video, a better one with a less crowd hopefully. तो मैं चलती हूँ, और अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए. वेट क्या कर रहे हैं? And do share, because sharing is caring. Also give one thumbs up for the victory. Yes, we have a IKEA store in Hyderabad, India. Wonderful. So अभी के लिए इतना ही. चलती हूँ, फिर मिलूंगी एक नए वीडियो के साथ. Bye bye.